Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with edX for big data step by step. To register with edX for big data, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL www.edx.org and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button. If you do not have an account, click on the create an account link. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your first name and last name in the appropriate fields. Next, enter your email address. Choose a strong password that meets the specified requirements. After entering the required information, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from edX. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. You will be redirected to the edX website to complete the registration process. Log in using your newly created email and password. Once signed in, use the search bar at the top of the page to enter Big Data. Browse through the available Big Data courses. Select a course that interests you by clicking on its title. On the course page, click the Enroll button. You may have the option to choose a payment method, or you can opt for an audited course. If required, complete the payment or confirm your enrollment in the audit option. After enrollment, you can access your course from your dashboard. Congratulations, you are now registered with edX for big data courses. Start exploring and enhancing your knowledge in this exciting field. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.